Today we're taking a look at the Traeger Tailgater. It is a portable wood pellet grill. It does have foldable legs there. It does come with the standard Traeger probe and also the grease bucket that comes out the side. It does not come with this shelf. This is an add-on accessory. We were gifted this by somebody, but it is nice, especially if you're traveling or anywhere really, to have somewhere to set your pan or your utensils as you're cooking. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, so our total cooking space here is 300 square inches. We've done 2 racks of ribs, brisket before. You definitely could do probably about 12 burgers, definitely hot dogs, sausages. So a pretty good cooking space for a portable grill. To the left, we have the Pellet Hopper and the digital control here. The Tailgater's hopper can hold 8 pounds, which is pretty decent. The Tailgater does weigh 62 pounds, so it's got some weight to it. It is pretty easy to move around once it's set up because it has the legs and the wheels. There's 2 handles on each side. As with all the Traegers, it's very easy to operate. Plug it in, make sure your pellets are full, and set your temperature. I smoke most stuff at 225, hit ignite. Fires right up. And this button here is keep warm mode. So if you select that anytime during the cooking process, it will set it right to 165 degrees, take it down to that temperature, and then your food will stay warm at the perfect serving temperature until it's time to eat your food. And then if you are using the included meat probe, you plug it in right here, and then there's a little area here where you insert it to go in, and then you can put it into the meat. When you first fire it up, it does smoke quite a bit. The majority of it coming out the back here. I've taken the Tailgater camping on a few trips. It's pretty easy to use. Like I said, if you have a bigger group, you can cook for a decent amount of people. We can wheel it on over to the next campsite or move it around the campsite, no problem. Because of the legs, the only issue that I struggle with sometimes is setting up. It's definitely like a 2-person operation. The legs can be a little challenging to unlock and fold and open and put down. If you have more than 1 person, that's the easiest way to go. That's the only thing I kind of struggle with. So I do see some people using it with the legs still folded right on the back of their pickup truck. After it's all cooled down and ready to pack up, sometimes we'll just wrap a bungee cord holding the pellets in place, lay it on its side, and then do its legs. I've only had this fired up for a few minutes and it's already at temperature. So it does fire up and preheat pretty quickly. As far as cooking surface, like I said, I've done a few racks of ribs before. We've done brisket. The last camping trip we did 2 pans of 2 different flavored cheesy potatoes. The aluminum pans fit nicely in there. The tri-tip would fit nicely in there. Sometimes we just use it for weeknight cooks. When we want to grill, you can fire this thing up to 450 degrees. And to start the shutdown cycle, you literally hold this button for a few seconds. It'll say off, and it'll start the shutdown cycle. As far as cleaning purposes go, you can take care of your porcelain grill grates just like you would for any grill. Pop out your grill grate, remove the grease strip pan. They do sell liners for this as well. And then you just vacuum out any ashes down here. And you want to make sure you remove this and get the fire pot as well where the auger's at. So far, the Traeger Tailgater has been a great little portable smoker / pellet grill option. I've only used it a few times, but it's put out great food every time, and it's very easy to use. To check out our whole write-up and review, head over to smokedmeatsunday.com.